Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse revealed that the company had more than $100 billion worth of XRP coins in a recent interview with Devin Ryan, who is the Director of Financial Technology Research at JMP Securities. The total value of the XRP we own now exceeds $100 billion, according to his statement. Furthermore, he thinks that this should be taken into consideration when evaluating the valuation of the company. According to Garlinghouse's findings, Ripple has been trading in the secondary private markets at a considerable discount on its net asset value. Reuters reported at the beginning of 2024 that Ripple had a valuation of approximately $11 billion after the company had repurchased more than $300 million worth of shares. Garlinghouse, on the other hand, asserts that this estimated valuation is very outdated. I think it's safe to assume that the $11 billion is very outdated at this point, he explained to reporters. While this was going on, the head of Ripple appeared to be questioning the extremely large premium that MicroStrategy was charging to NAV. Furthermore, he stated that he was not anti-MicroStrategy, and he expressed his desire for the firm to achieve massive success. Keeping quiet in public. Since several years ago, there has been a lot of talk regarding the possibility of Ripple doing an initial public offering, IPO. Garlinghouse, on the other hand, has made it clear that the company did not place a high priority on going public because doing so would have been counterproductive during the term of the previous SEC. Ripple has been in a position where we have not prioritized going public, he explained to reporters. When the previous administration of the SEC was in charge, this did not make any sense, as Garlinghouse pointed out. The wind patterns have shifted. Ripple is expected to remain the blockchain infrastructure provider of choice for financial institutions, according to Garlinghouse's forecast. It has also been said by him that there is tremendous demand for the custodial options offered by the organization. Additionally, there is a great deal of excitement surrounding Ripple USDR-LUSD, which is a cryptocurrency. Ripple has been experiencing rising demand over the past few weeks, which Garlinghouse describes as being a bit exhausting. This is because Congressman Gensler, who is opposed to cryptocurrencies, is departing the agency. The vast majority of Ripple's current employment offers are located in the United States, as reported by You Today. This represents a significant shift in comparison to the situation that existed a year ago. Garlinghouse continued by saying, "I believe that we have arrived at a good place currently. As the price of XRP continues to rise, an increasing number of holders are finding that they are no longer able to afford to include themselves in the highest wealth groups." Edo Farina, the chief executive officer of Alpha Lions Academy, has stated that it is getting increasingly difficult to maintain a position inside the top 10% of XRP holders. According to Farina's forecast, by the time XRP reaches $100, there would be only a few thousand holders who will still be in the top 10% of every wallet. Amount of XRP required to be included in the top 10% rich list. In his analysis, Farina draws attention to a key pattern by pointing out that the quantity of XRP required to be among the top 10% holders has reduced as the price of the token has increased. Take, for instance, the month of June 2024. It required almost 3,300 XRP to make it into the top 10%. During that period, the price of XRP was trading at a low of 47 cents, and the cost of obtaining 3,300 tokens was $1,551. On the other hand, as of January 2025, that number has decreased to a mere 2,599 XRP. According to Farina, this reduction can be attributed to the increasing value of XRP, which means that a smaller number of tokens are required to qualify for top wealth positions. More specifically, even though the supply has fallen, the price of joining the top 10% of XRP holders has increased to $6,263. The reason for this increased capital requirement is that the value of XRP per token has risen to more than $2. XRP is stored in more than 5.85 million wallets, for your reference. Only 585,248 addresses out of this total are considered to be in the top 10%, with balances that are greater than 2,590 XRP tokens. While everything is going on, just 58,000 wallets in the top 1% have balances that are greater than 56,000 XRP, which is equivalent to $135,000. To put it simply, Farina emphasizes that as the price of XRP continues to rise, the number of individuals who can keep their top-tier position will decrease. In essence, he is urging market participants to purchase XRP at lower rates right now to avoid being priced out of the market as the price continues to rise. Very few holders of XRP are engaging in self-custody. Additionally, the expert observes that a smaller number of individuals are keeping their XRP in self-custody. Even though there are more than 500 million cryptocurrency users across the globe, only a small fraction, perhaps 20 million, actually engage in self-custody of their assets. In light of this, Farina thinks that only about 500,000 holders of XRP have complete authority over their tokens when they are in self-custody. He underlines the risk of having XRP on exchanges, noting that it could cost investors the ability to benefit from XRP at a time when its value has surged. He thinks this could be a risk that investors should be aware of. In closing, Farina emphasized the significance of having self-custody. Because more people are being priced out of the top wealth brackets, those individuals who are aware of the significance of safely retaining their assets will have the best chance of remaining among the top holders throughout the long haul. Prepares to stand down in 2 weeks, the market is holding out hope that a new leader will bring with them more favorable conditions. As a result of this momentum, speculation over the introduction of an exchange-traded fund dealing in XRP in the year 2025 has become more intense. In the process of being developed, there are already several applications. During October, Bitwise was the first company to move, and applications from Canary Capital, 21 Shares, and Wisdom Tree followed quickly behind. Through the use of these exchange-traded funds, investors would be able to obtain exposure to XRP without actually holding it. This would provide a straightforward and regulated path to participate in the market. This scenario, when combined with the increasing inflows of XRP and the clarity of the regulatory environment, may increase the number of individuals embracing it and expanding the market base. 25 might be a significant year for XRP, regardless of whether or not it is accepted.